How to point a domain to hosting or hosting, quick tutorial. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to point a domain to hosting or hosting. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to transfer your domain to Hostinger's reliable hosting services. To start, you'll need to log in to your domain registrar's account, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Domain Management section and look for the DNS settings. You'll typically find these settings under the Domain Settings or Advanced Settings. Next, you'll need to update the DNS settings to point to Hostinger servers. You can do this by adding the following DNS records to your domain's DNS settings. Asterisk a record for your website's IP address, which is usually provided by Hostinger. Asterisk name records for any subdomains you may have. To find the correct DNS records for your domain, you can log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the DNS Manager. From there, you can find the required DNS records and update them accordingly. Once you've updated the DNS records, it may take some time for the changes to propagate globally. You can check the propagation status by using online tools such as DNS Checker or Hois. That's it! With these simple steps, you should now have successfully pointed your domain to hosting or hosting. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy-to-follow tutorials on web hosting and domain management.